Hi everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to scan a photo in iPhone. Whether you want to digitize old photos or create high-quality copies, I'll guide you through the process step by step. Let's get started. Method 1. Using the Notes app. Step 1. Open the Notes app on your iPhone. This is a built-in app that comes with your device. Step 2. Create a new note or open an existing one. Tap the Compose button, a square with a pen, to start a new note. Step 3. Tap the camera icon above the keyboard. This will open a menu with several options. Step 4. Select Scan Documents from the menu. Your iPhone's camera will activate in scanning mode. Step 5. Position your photo within the camera frame. Make sure the photo is well lit and lies flat on a surface. Step 6. Tap the Shutter button to capture the scan. Your iPhone will automatically detect the edges of the photo and enhance the image. Step 7. Adjust the corners if needed by dragging the handles. Tap Keep Scan to save the scanned photo to your note. Step 8. Tap Save to store the scanned photo in the Notes app. You can also export it to your Photos app or share it directly from Notes. Then, tap on the arrow next to the scanned document, tap Save to Files, select your saved location, and tap Save again to complete the process. And that's it. Now you know how to scan a photo using your iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials.